Hey girls and guys, Tim Charron here for howtobookgigs.com, and I am in Miami Beach. And I just came back, I'm coming back from a workout on the beach, and I figured I would do a video blog about fitness. Now, musicians and fitness. How does that work together? I'd actually be really interested to know how important fitness is to you all. I mean, definitely different people of different ages are going to view fitness in different ways. Men, women, different ways. You know, so I'd like to hear back from you guys and girls. Let me know, what your thoughts on how important is fitness as a musician? How does it affect you as a musician? And I'll go over my background and my struggles. Let's see. So I used to be, my profession was as a personal trainer. And check out the beach. This is where I just worked out. It's amazing. I was a personal trainer, and I trained a lot of I would say regular people, and then a lot of celebrities. I mean, maybe not a lot, but Eminem and Liv Tyler and Limp Bizkit and Michael Stipe from REM, among some also some Latin recording artists and stuff like that. So when I started to become a full-time musician, I also started having very bad back problems. So I've had about the same amount of years I've been a professional musician, 10 years. I've had back problems for 10 years. So it was always a struggle for me to get back in shape. And now I am on that journey, getting back into shape. And it's a struggle. I just did a Facebook Live, and I was saying that pretty much every day I'm waking up and my mind is telling me to blow it off, to work out tomorrow, that I'm not in good enough shape to be working out, which is ridiculous. Your mind's gonna play tricks on you, or at least mine does. So the way I've been trying to combat that is by putting my clothes next to my bed that I'm going to work out in, and immediately putting them on, because I feel as though, in my experience, that if you get up and you put on your workout clothes and then you don't go and work out, you're going to feel really bad about yourself. You're going to feel very ashamed of yourself. So it's a good trigger. Put your clothes on, tie your shoes, go. Actually, I got flip-flops, so I run in without shoes because I can do it on the beach. But that's my little, I guess, guidance tip to make things really easy for yourself to get out and do it, so that your mind doesn't stop you, because your mind can be a very, very tricky thing when you're trying to do anything like songwriting. I do it all the time, like, oh, I need to book gigs today. I need to brush my teeth again. I need to, I come up with a million excuses rather than, working on new songs. And it's basically the same kind of resistance, where that little voice in your head is telling you, oh, you can do it tomorrow, or there's more important things to be doing. There's really nothing more important, actually, than your health, because that's going to drive everything. So let me know what you guys, what your thoughts are, how important it is for you guys and girls to work out or be in shape. I mean, I know I have a show tonight, and I know that when I'm in shape for what I think is in shape, I feel a million times better to perform. Number one, of course, I want to, I don't want to look bad. But most of all, I don't want to feel bad. And I'm very physical on stage, so I want to have, not only the energy, but I want to have the stamina to do a long show, jumping around all over the place like a crazy person, because I enjoy that. I love that. That's kind of the payoff for me. It's a big payoff to go and play a show and jump around and interact with the crowd and jump off of the drum riser and all that fun stuff. I enjoy that immensely. So let me know if you all enjoy that as well. But it's a huge difference, you know, in your confidence. Just it's a totally different story when you are doing stuff like this, working out, being disciplined, and feeling great about yourself, and being able to run around and have the stamina to sing for 2 hours straight and jump around and entertain a crowd. That's a great feeling, as opposed to being out of shape, maybe being hungover and trying to go play a show. It's just not the same level of enjoyment, I find. So let me know your thoughts. Check out howtobookgigs.com for your free ebook. And do me a favor, even if you're not watching this on YouTube, go to my YouTube channel and subscribe. Leave me a comment there. Hit notifications so that you know that whenever I post a new video, and let me know how fitness works into your life as a musician. Peace.